as we get older, I really feel like we forget how to bring that intentional joy into our lives. Like, remember when we were kids and we had so many simple things that would make us have so much joy, like going to the park, getting an ice cream cone from the ice cream truck down the street, going to the library and actually sitting there and reading and interacting with other kids there, and taking walks and maybe flying a kite. I've never done it before, but maybe you have. But just those little things that made us fulfilled and made us feel like we were really complete. And I feel like as adults, we really need to make sure that we incorporate that in our lives. And let's get back to the basics. Like I said before, let's go on a walk. Let's go get an ice cream cone. Let's take the pressures off of our lives and do things that are so simple but so valuable and that bring richness to our lives. Hanging out with family is one of the best things for me because I can be pretty busy, and so I love doing that, and that's very simple, and it doesn't cost you anything to hang out with your family, hang out with your sisters, your brothers, and your friends and people that love you. And those things can really fill you back up, especially when they are people that can pour into you, encourage you when you're down, help you when you are low, and really be there for you. And as I'm getting older and as I'm continuing to evolve, I think the most important thing for me is to find joy, is to find happiness, is to find what makes me light up like I did when I was a child. And I'm really on the quest to find that and to get that and to activate it in every day. If I can watch something funny and it makes me feel like there's no problems in the world, okay, I'm going to do that. But it's really all about protecting yourself and protecting your joy in this season. But I really feel like it's just that time to prioritize what makes me full and what makes me feel alive. Hey guys, I'm back home. I had a full eventful day visiting my niecey poo with my sister and hanging out with my mom and sisters. And now, listen, I got me some pound cake. I'm trying to unwrap it for y'all so you can see it. If you've been looking, you know I love pound cake. I love it so much. Bam! So I'm about to try not to eat both of them tonight, but listen, I'm about to wind down, get some editing done. I have a photo shoot to edit, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to edit another video I have to do for some promo that I'm working on for a cool art launch that I am doing for August 13th. So I'm definitely going to track that journey and share that with you guys as well, because I'm super excited about it. But yeah, today has been beautiful and I'm about to rest. So the next thing I'll probably do is just write down those things that are going to activate that joy and start doing them as routine as possible and create a habit in my life that breeds and also attracts good things, which starts with having that joy. Joy is the key word, everyone. It is the key word of this video. And I truly hope that you enjoyed it. And I hope that you find the joy in your life and activate it every day if you can. See ya.